Hey, greetings music lovers. I got my old Framus out, headed down in the workshop, and this bolt-on neck has always been a work in progress. Had this guitar for a while. It's a 67, kind of beat up, but you know what? I got to tell you something. I was down at the big box store, music store. It's in Indiana. I'm not going to mention any names or whatever. And I'll tell you what, I started looking at 12 strings there. I looked at Taylors, Epiphones, a number of 12 strings, Seagulls they had hanging on the wall there. And I'm going to tell you right now, they did not have a 12 string in that place to equal the quality of this old 67 Framus. This thing is beat to heck. But ain't no way you're going to buy a 12 string that plays as nice. This plays as nice as a Telecaster. That's the problem here. But it's got a bolt-on neck, and it had some German engineering going on. So, like the Clear I had, took this button off right here, drilled a 1/2-inch hole in there. I ran a rod all the way from here to here with a bolt on it right there, so I could secure that neck block in there. And I'm telling you, it works. Let me play a little rockabilly here. Don't turn it off. You're gonna love this. Let me get another start on that. I caught a couple of you turning the thing off, man. Leave it on. This is gonna be great.
Stopped at a roadhouse in Texas, a little place called Hamburger Den. Heard that old jukebox playing a song by the truck driving man. Why don't you pour me another coffee? It is the best in the land. I put a nickel in a jukebox and play that truck driving man. Well, the waitress, she brought me some coffee. Thanked her and called her again. Said that old song sure does fit me. You know I'm a truck driving man. Why don't you pour me another cup of coffee? It is the best in the land. I put a nickel in the jukebox and play that truck driving man. Well, I climbed back a bolt mile semi. Quick like a flash, I was gone. Goddamn it, truck wheels are rolling. You know I'm on my way to San Antonio. Why don't you pour me another cup of coffee? It is the best in the land. I put a nickel in a jukebox and play that truck driving man. And play that truck driving man.
Hey, thanks for listening. Talk to you later. Bye now.